heart of India's industrial might stands RINL, fueling progress, forging the nation's backbone. Today, a visionary walks these grounds, shaping the future of Indian steel. Union Minister of Heavy Industries and Steel, Shri H.D. Kumaraswamy, embarks on a transformative tour of the Rashtriya Ispat Nigam Limited, a symbol of resilience and ambition. Witness innovation in motion, as the minister explores every critical stage, from roaring furnaces to state-of-the-art finishing lines. Strategic minds at work, Shri Kumaraswamy and RINL leadership unite, discussing smarter policies, sustainable upgrades, and new milestones for the steel sector.
Brothers and sisters, my personal request, the strength is with you only. With hard work, if you give some contribution to this plant, my goal is to bring this plant in this country in the #1 place. To strengthen this plant, you must actively work for that goal. Because our Honorable Prime Minister's vision, Visakhapatnam Bharat, Atmanirbhar Bharat, by 2030, his vision is we have to reach the production of steel 300 million ton. If we reach that goal, the major contributors will be RINL in this. Even our Honorable Prime Minister selected this RINL Navaratna status as given by Honorable Prime Minister. I will promise you, you will be the #1 in this country in the steel production.
From vision to reality, every spark, every beam, every steel sheet produced here, upports a billion aspirations. This is more than manufacturing. This is India's ascent. Innovation is here. Progress is now. The future, stronger than ever.